Meal prepping can seem like a daunting task for beginners, but with a little planning and organization, it can become a simple and efficient way to ensure you have healthy meals ready to go throughout the week. The key to successful meal prepping is to start with a plan. Begin by choosing which meals you want to prep for, whether it's just lunches, dinners, or all meals for the week. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to prepare, it's time to make a grocery list. Take inventory of what ingredients you already have on hand and make a list of what you need to buy. This will help you stay organized and avoid any last-minute trips to the store. When it comes to meal prepping, it's important to choose recipes that are simple and easy to make in large batches. Look for recipes that can be easily portioned out and stored in the fridge or freezer. Some popular meal prep options include salads, stir-fries, soups, and casseroles. Once you have your recipes selected, it's time to get cooking. Set aside a few hours on a weekend or a day off to prepare your meals for the week. Start by chopping vegetables, cooking proteins, and assembling your meals in containers. Be sure to label each container with the date and contents to make it easy to grab and go throughout the week. When it comes to storing your meal prepped dishes, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. Invest in a set of high-quality, airtight containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe. This will help keep your meals fresh and make cleanup a breeze. Be sure to store your meals in the fridge within 2 hours of cooking to prevent bacteria growth. If you're prepping meals for the entire week, consider freezing some portions to ensure they stay fresh. When it's time to eat, simply reheat your meal in the microwave or on the stovetop for a quick and easy dinner. Meal prepping can also help you save time and money in the long run. By preparing your meals in advance, you can avoid the temptation of eating out or ordering takeout on busy nights. Additionally, buying ingredients in bulk and cooking in large batches can help you save money on groceries. Meal prepping can also help you stay on track with your health and fitness goals. By having healthy meals ready to go, you can avoid reaching for unhealthy snacks or fast food when you're short on time. Plus, meal prepping can help you control portion sizes and ensure you're getting a balanced diet throughout the week. In conclusion, meal prepping for beginners doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little planning and organization, you can easily prepare healthy and delicious meals for the week ahead. Start by choosing recipes, making a grocery list, and setting aside time to cook. Invest in high-quality containers for storing your meals and be sure to label each one with the date and contents. By following these simple steps, you can set yourself up for success with meal prepping and make healthy eating a breeze.